The Seven Wonders of the Ancient World. The Seven Wonders of the Ancient World were a collection of remarkable construction known to travelers in the Mediterranean and Near Eastern regions. These wonders are often viewed as symbols of human achievement, though most of them no longer exist today. 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. The only wonder still standing, the Great Pyramid of Giza was built as a tomb for the Egyptian pharaoh Wakuku around 2580 BCE. Originally covered in smooth white limestone casing, it stood as the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Its sheer size and precision of construction achieved without modern technology continue to awe engineers and historians alike. Number 2. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, Iraq. Described as a breathtaking paradise of tart gardens with flowing water, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon are believed to have been built by King Nebuchadnezzar II for his wife, Amyntas of Media, though their existence remains a topic of debate among scholars. The gardens were reputed to be an engineering marvel, with lush vegetation rising above the arid Mesopotamian landscape. Number 3. The Statue of Zeus at Olympia, Greece. Created by the sculptor Paiades, the statue of Zeus was a monumental seated figure of the king of the Greek gods, made of ivory and gold-plated bronze. At nearly 40 feet in height, the statue was housed in the Temple of Zeus at Olympia and was one of the largest statues ever created in the ancient world. Number 4. The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus, Turkey. The Temple of Artemis was a grand structure dedicated to the Greek goddess Artemis. Located in modern-day Turkey, the temple was rebuilt around 550 BCE after being destroyed by a flood. The temple was known for its immense size, grand columns, and elaborate sculptures, making it one of the largest and most magnificent temples in the ancient world.